Children, now it's our exercise time. Okay, there are some exercise in the workbook for the lesson 15 my school. So let's do these exercise in the workbook. So our first exercise in the workbook is exercise 1. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 questions are there. For each question there are 2 options. Option A, option B. Among these 2 options, one answer is correct. That answer you have to tick in the square box given. Read the question, select the correct answer and give the tick. Okay? Now children, first question. Now along with me, read the first question. Okay? Yes, what is the first question? How should we go to the ground for morning assembly? For morning assembly, how we should go to the ground? We all go in a line. We form the line in the queue. We will go to the morning assembly. Isn't it? Children goes like that. So option A, in a queue. Q-U-E-U-E. Queue. Option A, in a queue. Option B, everyone running together. So which option is correct? How should we go to the ground for morning assembly? In a queue. So option A is the correct answer. So you have to tick in this square box. Tick. Okay? Yes. Second, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on which day? Every year we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. It is one of the national festival. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti every year on 2nd of October. Isn't it? Yes. So option A, 2nd October. Option B, 15th August. Which is the correct answer, children? Yes, 2nd October. Option A is the correct answer. So here you have to give a tick mark. Yes, so Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. Now third question. Teachers' Day is celebrated on. So when we celebrate Teachers' Day, children? Option A, 5th September. Option B, 26th January. 26th January is the Republic Day, not Teachers' Day. So Teachers' Day is on 5th September. So option A is the correct answer. So you have to tick here. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September. Last question, fourth one. Independence Day is celebrated on. Option A, 14th November. Option B, 15th August. When do we celebrate Independence Day, the national festival? Yes, Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th August. Isn't it? Option B is the correct answer. So here you have to give a tick mark. So first one, how should we go to the ground for morning assembly? In a queue. Option A is the correct answer. So tick here. Second, Gandhi Jayanti celebrated on 2nd October. Option A is the correct answer. So tick here. Third, Teachers' Day is celebrated on. Option A is the correct answer. 5th September. Tick here. And last question, Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Option B is the correct answer. So give the tick in the square mark there. Square box there. Okay, children? Yes, children. So our next exercise in the workbook is exercise 2. Fill in the blanks. So there are 5 fill in the blanks questions. So you have to read it and write the correct answer for each fill in the blanks. Okay. First one. We say our morning dash during the morning assembly. We say our morning prayer during the morning assembly. Isn't it, children? What do you say during morning assembly? We say morning prayer. So we say our morning prayer. P-R-A-Y-E-R. Prayer. So we say our morning prayer during the morning assembly. Now second, which is the second question? On Teachers' Day, comma, our senior students become dash and teachers. On Teachers' Day, our senior students, they act as, yes, teachers and teach the children, isn't it? So on Teachers' Day, our senior students become teachers. Teachers, teachers. Third one, many games are organized on dash. During one celebration at school, the school organized many games. On which day it is? On Sports Day. Yes, so many games are organized on Sports Day. SPORTS, Sports Day. DAY, day, Sports Day. Then fourth one, dash is a school for young children of age 3 to 5 years. 3 to 5 years children will go to which school? Yes, they go to kindergarten. The name of that school is kindergarten. So, kindergarten is a school for young children of age 3 to 5 years. KINDERGARTEN, kindergarten. Yes. Fifth one, a dash school is from class 1 to class 5. Class 1 to class 5, above age group of 5. Or class 1 to class 5 comes under, you all, comes under which school? Yes, a primary school. PRIMARY. Okay, a primary school is from class 1 to class 5. So, first fill up, we say our morning prayer during the morning assembly. Second, on Teachers' Day, our senior students become teachers and teach us. Now, third, fill in the blanks. Many games are organized on Sports Day. Fourth one, kindergarten is a school for young children of age 3 to 5 years. Kindergarten. Then fifth one, a primary school is from class 1 to class 5. Primary. Yes. Children, so our next exercise in the workbook is exercise 3. Match the following. Okay, match the following. So, in match the following, middle you can see some words. Sweeper, SWEEPER, sweeper. Music teacher, MUSIC, music teacher, TEACHER, music teacher. Third word is peon, PEON, peon. Last word gardener, GARDENER, gardener. So 4 words are given, and left and right you can see some images you can see here. 2 images in the course textbook, workbook you can see 2 side you can see the images. Okay. So you have to match these images with the correct word. So both the side you have images, children, both the side you have images, and middle there are few words. You have to match. Okay. So first, sweeper. Sweeper uses a mop to clean the floor, isn't it? Sweeper uses a mop to clean the floor. So you can match sweeper to this image. Then music teacher, you can see an instrument here. It is a harmonium. A harmonium is an instrument uses by a music teacher to teach music. So music teacher matches with that instrument, harmonium. Peon. Peon use what in school? Peon is he used to ring the bell, morning bell, afternoon lunch break bell, evening bell, isn't it? So Bell, B-E-L-L, bell. Bell image is there. Peon matches with the bell. Then gardener, he used a watering can to spray water to the plants. That is a watering can. So gardener matches with a watering can. So these words you have to match with the correct image. Sweeper use mop to clean the floor. Music teacher use harmonium to play. The teacher play the instrument and teach the music. Then peon use bell to ring, isn't it? For ringing the bell, he need bell. Okay. Then gardener use watering can to water the plants. Okay, children? Children, so our next exercise in the workbook is exercise 4. Let's answer. So there are some questions given there. Read the question and answer it. Okay. So our first question is, children, yes, come on, read the first question. Where do we go for the morning assembly? Where do we go for the morning assembly, children? Yes, we go to the ground, isn't it? Or a hall. Auditorium we say, or ground we say, for the morning assembly. So answer, we go to the ground in a queue for the morning assembly. We go to the ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground, in a queue, Q-U-E-U-E, queue, for the morning assembly. Second question, yes, come on, read the second question, children. What do we do on feast? What do we do on feasts? So on feast day, many food and games stalls are put up. Food stalls, game stall, both we put up. We can play different games and win prizes. They put up stalls for food and games, and children play the games and they win prizes. So where do we go for the morning assembly? Answer, we go to the ground in a queue for the morning assembly. Second, what do we do on feast? On feast day, many food and games stalls are put up. Food and games stalls, S-T-A-L-L-S, are put up. Full stop. We can play different games and win prizes. P-R-I-Z-E-S, prizes. So our next question, children, coming to the third question. How do we celebrate our annual day? How you are celebrating your annual day at school, children? Yes, you participate in different items like dance, singing, plays, isn't it? Yes. So answer, we celebrate annual day by participating in singing, dancing and acting competitions. Participate in, P-A-R-T-I-C-I-P-A-T-I-N-G, participating in singing, S-I-N-G-I-N-G, dancing, D-A-N-C-I-N-G, and acting, A-C-T-I-N-G. Competition, C-O-M-P-E-T-I-T-I-O-N-S. So we celebrate annual day by participating in singing, dancing and acting competitions. Now coming to the fourth question, the last question. Come on, read this. Read the question, children. Name the 3 kinds of schools. You learned about 3 kinds of schools, isn't it? Which are they? The 3 kinds of schools are kindergarten, K-I-N-D-E-R-G-A-R-T-E-N, kindergarten, primary school, P-R-I-M-A-R-Y-S-C-H-O-O-L, primary school, and secondary school, S-C-C-O-N-D-A-R-Y, secondary, S-C-H-O-O-L, secondary school. So how do we celebrate our annual day? We celebrate annual day by participating in singing, dancing and acting competitions. Fourth question, name the 3 kinds of schools. The 3 kinds of schools are kindergarten, primary school and secondary school. So that section got finished. So these were the exercise in the workbook. Okay children.